show you how can you take backup of your app and apps data using Migrate application. You guys can see here the Migrate application. Let me open this. Just give all permission and then go to backup, and your device must be rooted for that. Grant root permission and proceed, and provide permission and get back, and now again go to backup. Actually, this application is really very handy and useful for those people who keeps changing their ROMs daily. So I'm gonna take backup of Call of Duty. You guys can see here Call of Duty and Facebook, Magisk, don't need Magisk, and Matlock. And of course, when you take backup, you have to take backup of Migrate also, and Telegram also. Just for showing you guys, just I am selecting those applications, only 4 or 5 maybe. So just press on next, and if you want to take backup of your contacts, SMS, call logs, whatever you can take. So start taking backup and take on. And if you want to take backup on your SD card, so there is a system. You guys can check out this system. You have to go on your Magisk and you have to download this module. After that you will be able to use your SD card. So I think we don't need that. We can take backup on our internal storage. Just select internal storage and it is started taking backup. So you guys can see flash is done, no errors. Just close the application and let's go to file manager and let's check on our internal storage and go to Migrate folder. You guys can see here the Migrate folder. Just open the Migrate folder and you will get that backup files, and keep that backup files on your SD card when you are going to flash the ROM. Remember that, keep that backup file on your SD card, not internal storage. Now let's get back to TWRP for flashing the backup file. We're directly moving into TWRP recovery for taking or flashing the backup file. Now go to install and select the file from your external storage. Here you can see Migrate folder. Here is the backup file. Just select that file and just swipe. I had taken backup of Facebook, Call of Duty, Migrate application and Telegram. Just that 4 applications, nothing more. So now reboot system. Do not install. Wait until it boots up. So finally device booted up. Now you guys can see on the top, you guys can see a message here on the top, Migrate package flashed. So if you guys get a message like this, just click on that and you guys can see here the restore apps and data. Just click on it and just wait and give the permission of root access. And you guys can see that I have taken backup of those files. So on the bottom you guys can see here, just restore here, just press on it and it will start. Go ahead, it will start restoring. You guys can see here, restoring apps. If you guys like my videos, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and join my Telegram channel as well. So you guys can see the backup has finished, no errors. So that's the process. So click on finalize. So that's finish, done. You guys can see now the Call of Duty is here, the Matlog is here, and the Migrate is also here, and the Telegram also here. So and the Facebook application is here. So that's the video for today, guys. Thank you for watching.